Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check hotel reviews on booking.com. So you can go ahead and you can find wherever you want to go. So I'm going to show you, for example, recent searches that I've made. So this is, for example, in Ibiza, and if you want to check hotel reviews, just simply go ahead and click on that hotel, and once you're on that page, guys, you'll be able to quickly find those reviews. So if you look towards the right hand side here on those different tabs, you will find guest reviews. You can click on that and it's going to open up and show you those reviews, and you can quickly find the latest reviews from here. So as you can see here in the upper right, it says most recent or most relevant. You can go ahead and basically click on them from here. So you have from the lowest score, highest score, oldest first, newest first. So you can click on that and you can see what are the latest reviews there, and you can basically use that to make your judgment if you think the place is good or not. So you can do that for any place that you will find on booking. So that's how you go ahead and find the latest reviews, guys. That's it.